This is a really fascinating seafloor. I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like it. Yeah, we're in a forest of this kind of these hummocks now. Very, very little in the way of colonization of these highs, though. And to me, that says that they haven't been, that this is a mobile seafloor, that this seafloor is moving, is constantly changing. It's a very busy place. We are diving today across the floor from southwest to northeast of one of the three main submarine canyons of the north central Gulf of Mexico. This is our second dive in Keathley Canyon. This part of the Gulf of Mexico is a big pile of sediment that were deposited when the basin was young, before ocean crust was generated here about 140 to 130 million years ago. We're talking about a pile of sediment here that is 12 to 14,000 meters thick. I'm always amazed by color in the deep sea. I mean, we're dealing with virtually a pitch black environment. Why that shrimp should be a bright red.
Reds, they take less energy to make it. It has less to do with light utilization than it does just pigment production and energetic. As to why things in deep water don't need to be anything other than red.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It'd be the simplest thing to make energetically.
Yeah, see, and I've never heard that, and that's great. And Bob's chiming in that they could have color, but they rarely have color patterns, because the patterns are useful for sighted animals in lots of light, but don't serve any purpose in the deep sea.
I haven't seen this before on this ship.
Yeah, that's great.
Wow, it's amazing.
That's great. So that's the holothurian we just saw swimming, and he's down there getting a meal. A nutritional conveyor belt.
Exactly. Oh, there he goes.
And
he's done.
He's gone.
That was so cool.
That was great. We got that. Wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Fantastic. The Keathley is a long, sinuous canyon that drains from the sanctuary areas around the Flower Gardens Bank south of Galveston, Texas, all the way down to the abyssal Gulf of Mexico south of us in water depths on the order of 4,000 meters.
It's kind of almost like a micro crop circles or something.
Yeah.
You know, all those, they have a
That's great.
pattern to them.
That's great. I've seen pictures of these that Peter Rona has shown me, but I have never seen them on the seafloor. This is pretty impressive. Well, that's a great way to punctuate this dive.